In the year 637, Caliph Omar ibn al-Khattab, a companion of the Prophet Muhammad, entered Jerusalem not with a sword of conquest, but with an olive branch of peace. The city, sacred to Jews, Christians, and Muslims, lay before him, its Jewish population long since banished by the Byzantines. Aware of the city's deep Jewish roots, Omar sought out its missing sons and daughters. Upon learning no Jews remained, Omar extended an invitation for them to return, a move that reversed centuries of exclusion. He issued a landmark assurance, the Covenant of Omar, guaranteeing safety and religious freedom to all of Jerusalem's people. Jews once again prayed at the Western Wall, Christians held Mass at the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, and Muslims were called to prayer at the Al-Aqsa Mosque. Caliph Omar's actions echoed the core Islamic principle of "there is no compulsion in religion," setting a precedent for coexistence in a land revered by many.